I'm Georgia, better known as Lil Pet Channel. I'm an equestrian YouTuber and today we are at my farm seeing to the horses. So for the last couple of weeks I've been using the JFC 250 litre tipping wheelbarrow and it is amazing. You can fit so much into it and it's super easy to tip. The two wheels mean that I can cart it around the farm really easily, it's not too heavy for me and I can fit loads in it. I was very lucky to get my hands on the limited edition berry colour and it matches perfectly with my circular floor feeder. The hinge tipping motion makes it really easy if you have a heavy load or lots in there for you to empty it out, and it tips fully over, which means you don't have to brush it out, it's all done in one swoop. JFC equine are known for their durability, which is one of the reasons that I want to get my hands on one of these wheelbarrows. I've actually had their drinkers in my stables for almost 10 years now, and the wheelbarrow is super durable. So previously I've always used a one-wheel wheelbarrow and I didn't know the difference until I got my hands on this. The two wheels are really great on the rough terrain around the farm, over the rubble, over the sand arena. It really does make a huge amount of difference. I'm super impressed with the 250 litre tipping wheelbarrow. Can't recommend it enough, and if you are looking to upgrade your current wheelbarrow, get in touch with the team at JFC Equine.